RFL Communications, in partnership with the Pharmaceutical Marketing Research Group, welcome you to Pharma Research Video Report, where pharmaceutical, healthcare, biotech, and medical device market researchers go for news, insights, and commentary about their respective fields that they just won't find anywhere else. On today's PRVR, we're going to cover Google Genomics. We'll take a look at IBM's foray into genetics. We'll fill you in about reports concerning pharmaceutical companies and their dealings both with personalized medicine and separately with patient-reported outcomes. And finally, we'll take a look at a patient intelligence data collection platform that has been specifically designed to reduce hospitalizations. This edition of PRVR is sponsored by the Toluna Healthcare Practice, which offers cutting-edge methodologies, sophisticated yet easy-to-use analytic tools, and specialized products so that you can research physicians, healthcare professionals, and ailment sufferers around the globe. And let's get started for today. Google plans to store individual genomes in the cloud, a process it is called Google Genomics, and it said that they can be analyzed en masse by healthcare researchers. That in a report from BigThink.com's Orion Jones. Google sees this as part of the start of a new era of personalized medicine. Experts say it could treat diseases with responses to individuals' genetic makeup. Google has made it known that it can store an entire genome in that cloud for $25, and reportedly that will enable scientists to share information as well as conduct virtual experiments as easily as a web search. Next, IBM, hoping to continue to expand the terrain of its IBM Watson group, has invested an undisclosed sum from a $100 million in funding that the company gave Watson about a year ago. This money, again undisclosed, is going to Pathway Genomics, a lab that offers genetic testing services. IBM's goal is to help create a health monitoring app based on a person's individual genetic makeup, along with some other information. IBM Watson Group VP Stephen Gold stated that Watson cognitive computing in the hands of Pathway Genomics will empower consumers to ask health-related questions and to receive personalized responses based on their gene makeup as well as wearable technology information. Now, the queries could cover the amount of exercise that each particular person should do every day, even advice about how much coffee they probably should consume on any day. There's a study about the preparedness of pharmaceutical companies in dealing with the personalized medicine business model. Diaceutics Pharma Readiness for Personalized Medicine report reveals that the top 12 Pharmacos apparently fall into one of two groups. Some have initiated both an external and internal capability for personalized medicine predominance future, but others are still learning the ropes. Now, the report places Jannsen, Novartis, and Roche as the three at the lead of personalized medicine, terming them disruptors. Right behind, BMS, Pfizer, and AstraZeneca, they're described as more advanced and closing in on that disruptor category. But in the follower category are Boehringer Ingelheim, Merck, GSK, Amgen, Sanofi, and Eli Lilly. The study updates a 2010 personalized medicine review and says right now most pharmaceutical companies are readier than 4 years ago, but they're not as advanced in their commercial readiness as they should be, nor have they created a market infrastructure to capitalize on targeted therapy launches. A cutting-edge information study of patient-reported outcomes says the pharmaceutical industry is open to applying them to marketing strategies. But there is a problem. While pharma companies are not a roadblock, the regulatory agencies are. So far, they've accepted only 22% of patient-reported outcome endpoints from pharmaceutical clinical trials for final product labeling. Internal and external factors unrelated to drug manufacturers are apparently influencing PRO acceptance. So too is drug therapeutic area. Right now, for instance, pain management drugs are most successful in getting that kind of clearance. Cutting Edge study, if you're interested, is entitled Patient-Reported Outcomes, Infusing the Healthcare Consumer Voice into Clinical Development and Reimbursement. And closing out today, Sentrian claims that its remote patient intelligence platform, quote, is leveraging exponential growth in biosensors and machine learning intended to detect subtle warning of an impending problem for a patient before it becomes acute and requires hospitalization, end of quote. Eyed for improvement by Sentrian are millions of unnecessary hospitalizations that both cost tens of billions of dollars and also happen to endanger patients. That's this week's Pharma Research Video Report, a co-production of RFL Communications and our partner, PMRG. We've been sponsored by the Toluna Healthcare Practice, which offers cutting-edge methodologies, sophisticated yet easy-to-use analytic tools, and specialized products to research physicians, healthcare professionals, and ailment sufferers around the globe. The link to the Toluna Healthcare Practice homepage can help you learn many different ways that Toluna can help your pharma, healthcare, biotech, and medical device research needs. We've set up an email link for you so that you can go and check it out. Send us your email, by the way, if you'd like to receive an email with each time a new Pharma Research Video Report is released. You can forward it to me, rflbob@gmail.com, and to help, write subscribe to video in the subject line. Good luck with your research, and we'll see you back here next week.